My name is Daniel Huxtable. I went to UWTSD in Swansea, and my business is called Fightwear Store UK. Fightwear Store is a martial arts gear and clothing supplier. I started it when I was in university in my first year, just before we had a business module in university. So I was able to do two birds with one stone kind of thing, write a business plan for the business, and do a presentation, do marketing, everything. It was all part of the module. The skills you can learn at university are brilliant, and it will really help my business. And this is the main reason why I'm going back. I had funding from government-funded initiatives. So Big Ideas Wales, I did some competitions, got some funding through them, and I also got funding from a seed fund initiative. The enterprise champion in my university, she was just constantly saying, Dan, enter this, Dan, enter this. It's gonna help you, it's gonna make your business bigger. I just wanna build Fightwear Store up even more. It's already one of the biggest brands in kickboxing in the UK, and it's slowly becoming recognised all around the world. As well as that, I want to build my brand as an entrepreneur. I really just want to help people who were once like me 3 years ago. I want to help them build their businesses and give them advice.